In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair your shield in Arc Raiders. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to get your shield back into fighting shape without any guesswork. First, make sure you're in Speranza. This is the safe hub where item repairs are allowed, and it's the only place you need to be for this process. You don't have to track down a special station or an NPC for this. Once you're in Speranza, you're set to handle everything through your own inventory. Open your inventory the way you normally do. Find the shield you want to repair in your gear list. Hover your cursor over that shield, then right-click and choose the repair option. This will bring up the Repair Details panel. On this panel, you'll see your shield's current durability. Think of durability as the health of your gear. Every time you take hits or use your shield, durability ticks down. If it ever reaches 0, the shield will be destroyed. So it's important to keep an eye on this number and not wait too long before repairing. Repairing before it gets dangerously low can save you from losing a piece of equipment you rely on. Right next to durability, you'll see the resources required to complete the repair. The game clearly lists the materials and amounts you need. If you have enough, you can proceed right away. If you're short, that's your cue to plan ahead, because you won't be able to complete the repair until those requirements are met. It's a good habit to check this screen periodically so you're not caught off guard. When you're ready, go ahead and hit repair. Confirm if prompted, and let the process run. In just a moment, your shield's durability will be restored to the listed level, and you'll be ready to jump back into action with full confidence. That's really all there is to it. A few quick tips to make this smoother over time. Get into the habit of checking durability every time you return to Speranza, so you can fix wear and tear before it becomes a problem. Repairing proactively usually costs fewer resources than risking a total breakdown. Keep a small reserve of commonly used materials if you can, so you're not stuck waiting on a repair you need right now. And always double check that you're repairing the correct shield, especially if you carry more than one. That's the entire process. In Speranza, open your inventory, right-click the shield, review durability and resource requirements, and hit repair. Simple, fast, and reliable.